Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Now today's video is going to be super awesome because I've got a brand new mystery box to show you guys. Now this mystery box was sent to me by Jack Martin, but they didn't tell me what they were sending me. So I'm pretty curious to see what do we have in this big package. It's definitely a huge box guys and weighs really heavy. I'm pretty excited to unbox and check it out. A huge box from this company means I'm guessing we've got some kind of speakers in that. But I'm not sure whether they are 2.1, 5.1 or some sort of Bluetooth speakers. I know you guys are also pretty excited to check it out, so let's get started with the video. Alright guys, let me tear the packaging and see what do we have in this mystery box. I want to thank Jack Martin for sending me this product for review, so let's open it and see what's inside. Whoa guys, you see that? It's a 2.1 home theater system. That is awesome. Let me tear the packaging and take the box out. So here is the Jack Martin's premium range 2.1 channel multimedia speakers. Wow, I'm so excited for this. The model is JMX5 Premium and they come in this sort of box packing. The box looks quite funky with a black and yellow theme going on. You've got the Jack Martin branding here and there's a picture of the 2.1 X5 speakers on the box. You get two satellite speakers and a huge subwoofer in the box. Now let me tell you some of its features. This 2.1 system supports Bluetooth, SD cards, has built-in FM, USB port, it's compatible with PC and it can also be used as home theater speakers. So those were some of its features. Now let's see what else is written on the box. You've got the specs of this product here. It's got two satellite speakers each of 18 watts and a powerful subwoofer with 90 watts of output. The subwoofer is of 6.5 inches and both the satellites are 3 inches each. The frequency response range of the satellite speakers is from 170Hz to 20 kHz and the subwoofer is from 20Hz to 170Hz. And the total weight of the package is 8.5 kgs. So that was about the box packing. I'm really looking forward to see how they sound like. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. There we go. Let's open it and check out the product. Alright guys, so this is how the inside looks like. We've got two satellite speakers at the top and a packet of accessories beside that. Looks like we've got a lot of stuff in here. I'll show them to you later in the video. First let's check out the satellite speakers. Let me take them out. So here they are. They look quite big in size. I didn't expect that. So here are the Jack Martin's X5 satellite speakers. Let me take them out of this covers and show you. So this is how they look like. They're premium quality 2.1 speakers from the company and I really love the design. From my first impressions I have to say they look very classy and attractive. We'll just keep them aside for now and take the subwoofer out of the box. So the X5 subwoofer is at the bottom of the box. This thing is huge and super heavy. It's a very powerful subwoofer that can produce 90 watts of output. And this is how it looks like. Wow, just look at this beauty. I really like this color combination black and yellow. Looks really funky. The design of the subwoofer is similar to its satellite speakers. It's got all the controls at the center and a big display above that. Alright guys, now what I'll do is, I'll just put all the speakers side by side on my table and check them out. So this is how the Jack Martin's complete X5 2.1 channel speaker system looks like. We've got the sub at the center and two satellites beside that. First let me show you the satellite speakers. The X5 satellite speakers have a very unique shape with two triangle design at the top and bottom. You've got the Jack Martin branding at the center and the build quality looks pretty good. It's made of high quality plastic. On the front you've got this beautiful gloss finish while the remaining part of the body has a matte finish. It has a single 3-inch speaker at the bottom and a tuned port at the top. Each satellite speaker can produce a max output of 18 watts and this is how it looks from the back. It has a single RCA connector which you need to connect to the subwoofer's audio out. And at the bottom it has 4 rubber foot pads. So that was about the satellite speakers. Now let me tell you about the subwoofer. The subwoofer looks super heavy duty. You've got the Jack Martin logo, the model is X5 and even this has a two-tone design. You've got a matte plus gloss finishing on the front. It has a big LED display over here. There's a volume control knob at the center that also glows when you power it on. And beside that you've got 6 buttons, 3 on right and 3 on left. There's a forward and backward button to change the music tracks, a music play pause button. This is menu, input and standby buttons. The quality of the buttons is nice. And at the bottom it has a tuned bass reflex port. The actual subwoofer speaker is placed on the right. It's a 6.5-inch subwoofer that can produce a max output of 90 watts. And on the side you've got a USB port so you can directly play music from your pen drive. And above that you've got an SD card slot. This 2.1 speaker system has a wide range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth. Now let me give you a closer look at the subwoofer speaker. And this is how the back looks like. The enclosure is entirely made of wood. It has the Jack Martin logo here and some caution info below that. There's a power on off switch on the left, a mains cord that you need to plug into an AC outlet. On the right side you got an FM antenna port, audio input left and right ports, and audio out left and right ports. So those were all the connectivity ports on it. Now let me show you all the accessories that we get in this packet. You get a remote control for this 2.1 system. The build quality is nice, you've got the Jack Martin branding at the bottom, and this remote has a lot of buttons on it. The quality of the buttons is also nice. Let me show you the battery compartment. This remote runs on 2 AAA batteries. Along with that you get an FM antenna, RCA to RCA cable. You can use it to connect this 2.1 to your DVD player or TV. There's also a RCA to 3.5mm cable to connect it to your computer. And finally we have some paperwork. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So now that we are done with the unboxing and overview, let me show you how to connect your new 2.1 speakers. First you need to connect these 2 satellite speakers to the subwoofer. Each speaker has a single RCA connector which you need to connect to the subwoofer's audio output ports. Let me show you. The audio output ports are over here. This is where you need to connect both the satellite speakers. The left speaker goes in the left port and the right speaker goes in the right port. Just like this. Once that's done, you need to connect the subwoofer to your PC. For that, we'll be using this RCA to 3.5mm cable. Connect both the RCA connectors to the subwoofer's audio input ports, and the 3.5mm jack on the other side should be connected to your computer. That's it, now just plug in this mains card and your new 2.1 speaker system is ready to be used. Alright guys, I've connected the Jack Martin X5. Now let me power it on and show you all of its features. I'll be using this remote control to operate it. You can even use the buttons on the subwoofer. So this is how the display on it looks like. It's right now in Bluetooth mode. Let me cycle through the different available input sources and show you. You've got Bluetooth, this is aux mode, there's also built-in FM on it, but for that you need to connect an FM antenna to the subwoofer. And this is USB mode. So these were all the different modes on it. Now let's test the audio quality. Let me connect my phone via Bluetooth, play some song and see how the audio sounds like. Oh my god, this thing is absolutely awesome. These 2.1 speakers literally blow out the competition in this price range. The mids are crisp and clear, the vocals feel warm and mellow, and the high frequency response is also great. Talking about the bass is mind-blowing. It's super punchy and produces deep thumping bass. Really guys, you can feel that 20Hz low frequency on the subwoofer. And also there's an EQ on it, using which you can fine tune the treble and bass as per your preference. I'll show you that in the video. The overall audio quality was very impressive on the X5. Coming to the TRHD, the distortion was less even at max volume, and the audio output was also super loud and satisfactory. The 90W subwoofer plus 36W satellite speakers combined were producing a total output of around 125 watts. I was quite happy and satisfied with these 2.1 speakers. So that was my review on the Jack Martin's X5 2.1 home theater speakers. They're awesome for the price. The design is good, build quality is nice, has lots of connectivity options including Bluetooth, and the audio quality is amazing, especially the bass. Bass lovers will definitely be satisfied with this product. The Jack Martin X5 costs around 5,850 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.